All right, let's do it. Let's get this shit going. So much to do. So much to do. Woo. All right. What up, Smart Rapper family? I'm gonna start calling y'all family. We growing. We the biggest family on earth. Thousands of these motherfuckers. Today, a very, very good question. I used to actually worry myself about this, but is it cheating if you use RhymeZone when you're writing raps, or if you use a Thesaurus, or if you use anything like that? Is it cheating? We're going to talk about that today. I have the perfect answer. It's going to help you understand all of it. I got some Eminem examples, Big Pun, Immortal Technique, like these. Come on, we're going to talk about that stuff right after the intro. I'm Rob Level. This is smartrapper.com, and you're going to get smarter right after the intro. Now, is it cheating to use RhymeZone and stuff like that? I mean, look, absolutely not. But let me explain this to you. I used to think that it was cheating if you're using a dictionary and, like, why can't you just use your brain? Okay, here's the thing, though, is that when you really look at it, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter what you think.
It doesn't matter if you use a rhyming dictionary. What matters is the end product. Okay, that end product is what somebody's going to hear, they're going to listen to, they're going to replay, they're going to play again over and over again. The end product is the only thing they see and hear. What you did, how long it took you to make the song, how many times you rewrote it, if you made it in 15 minutes, no matter what it is at the end of the day, whatever, it doesn't matter. None of that stuff matters. What matters is what it sounds like when it's finished, when an artwork is complete. Think about a painting. It doesn't matter how you got it to look that beautiful. What matters is the fact that it is now finished and that thing can be admired by millions of people. Saying that it's cheating to use like RhymeZone or a rhyming dictionary is like saying it's cheating to use a dictionary to learn new words that you're going to use in your raps. That's stupid. Eminem is known to use rhyming dictionaries. Big Pun is well known to use Thesauruses and rhyming dictionaries when writing. That's why his shit is put together like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, think about it. Like, look at some of his bars.
Dead in the middle of little did we know that we riddle to middleman who didn't do diddly. And it's and you don't stop. 20 shot clock.
I've heard Immortal Technique uses them as well. Immortal Technique is fan-fucking-tastic. It's not cheating. What it is it's a tool for you to use in your arsenal. The more tools you have, the better. Think about it like this. If you have to put something into a wall, are you gonna use a screwdriver just because it takes more effort and you feel better about using the screwdriver? Like, I do that with a screwdriver. Or is your ass gonna use the power drill? Or you'll send it. It's a tool to get things done faster and more efficiently. Let's say it like this. Let's say you were using a rhyming dictionary just to get better at rhyming. Right? You're using the rhyming dictionary to increase your rhyming skills, but you're not doing it while you're writing songs. Right? You're just learning the rhymes for later use. For what? For writing the songs. Why not just fucking do it while you're writing the fucking song? Does it make any fucking sense? How is it cheating? Learning rhymes, but learning the rhymes while writing the rhymes is cheating? That don't make no sense. I'm putting it in a lot of different scenarios and putting it from different perspectives so you guys can understand, in case you have that barrier in your mind that it is cheating. It's not cheating. It's okay to use RhymeZone or a rhyming dictionary or a thesaurus while you're writing. Use the tools at your disposal. Okay, if you use a rhyming dictionary while you're writing songs, you're actually going to retain the rhymes better, and they're going to be more useful to you because you're actually writing them in a circumstance when you're actually applying it to a skill set being built, because you're actually building your writing ability while you're working on the song and while you're learning the rhymes. So the rhymes are going to stick with you easier, as opposed to trying to learn the rhymes, beforehand and then using them later. Like, it just makes more sense to actually use the tool while you're writing the song because you're in the zone of creation. So you're gonna learn faster, you're gonna apply faster, those words are gonna come into to use faster. Like, actually using it during song creation is probably better than just using the rhyme dictionary to learn rhymes. So if you wanna feel better, and if right now you're telling yourself that it's cheating, think about it from the perspective of you're actually learning faster, you're learning rhymes faster while you're actually writing the song. So use it while you're writing songs in order to teach yourself to build rhymes better. Not to write the songs, but to learn how to rhyme better. Well, actually writing the songs. You see what I'm saying? It's all about tricking yourself and having the right mindset in order for you to learn the fastest. It's all about being a smart rapper. So you just became a smarter rapper. I'm Rob Level. This is smartrapper.com. Hit me with your 4 bars of the day. I want to see the comments below. Hit me with your 4 bars. Y'all are killing it. I see a lot of you guys. You guys are really stepping it up, and I respect and I appreciate the fact that you're dropping the bars, because the bars show that you're actually taking steps forward of trying to get better every day, even if it's just 4 bars. Okay? Hit me with the like, and then hit me with the subscribe, and then hit me. No. It's a hit. Him and no thing. All right, y'all. I hope you guys learned something today. It's not cheating. Get out there. Use the tools at your disposal so you can grow and you can learn. And by the way, if anybody has taken my How to Write Lyrics course, you know I bring up RhymeZone. I bring up random word generators. I'm like, here, use this, and this is how you use RhymeZone to write rhymes faster and better. This is how you use a random word generator and other tools that I show you in the Write Songs course. Okay, and I'll put a link to that below. I'm not even purposefully like name dropping these things. I just think about like, look, I use it, and here's proof that I use it. So whatever. You guys are gonna like the shit that's coming. Let me tell you right now. I'm so excited for everything that's happening right now. All right, y'all, I'm gonna see you guys, but until tomorrow, here's some more videos y'all can check out. Hit that like, hit me with the comment, hit subscribe, tons of stuff coming. Check out all the other videos. If you got a question, use the little search bar in the search on the Smart Rapper channel, and you're gonna find probably whatever you're looking for, because I already have 500 videos on this channel. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Trying to make my way.